Today we're in Charlestown in Cornwall, and we're going to be showing you around this pub with rooms. It's called the Pier House Hotel, right over there in the distance by St Austell Brewery. So we're going to be staying there for the night, showing you around the room and also around the stunning sights of Charlestown here in Cornwall. So stay tuned and we're going to take you into the room and show you around. So here we are at the Pier House Hotel here in Charlestown in Cornwall. It's recently reopened after extensive refurbishment following a fire a year or so ago. So as you come in then through the main door, that's where we've just come through, and then you've got a bag in the corner which you can use for things. You've got your sign up here for your do not disturb to put out. Then you've got this nice big Philips television, and then you've got your desk area with a nice chair just there. And then on the desk you've got a selection of books. You've got the Southwest Coast Path book, so if you're into your walking, that's absolutely fantastic. You've also there got an Ordnance Survey map of the local area, a lamp and a mirror, two glasses and a nice big bottle of water, always handy. And then at the side you've got some snacks here which are part of the minibar, so those are chargeable, but it's nice to have a selection there so you can choose from. Then as we come around here to the left, it opens up into this fantastic sort of daybed area. I've not seen one of these before in a hotel. Absolutely fantastic. So you've got a nice soft area, really comfy mattress there, and then just check out the view. So you can sit in the daybed and you can look out the window across Charlestown Harbour. You've got a little ice cream man down there as well at the minute. No doubt you see some seagulls stealing ice creams from people. So that's the view. So yeah, at some point we'll be on this daybed, relaxing, having a pint and checking out that view. Then as we come round, got this nice big mirror. Makes the room look so much spacious with having a mirror in there, as well as these two big windows as well. More of the view out that window just there. You've also got a window seat just here, so you can sit here and while away the hours looking out again at that view. Then at the side you've got two drawers, you've got the bedside light, you've got two sockets along with two USB sockets, also the dimmer switches there for the lights. And check out that headboard, really nice finish to it. Two really comfy soft pillows just there, two each, and then a decorative one there. And then you've got this nice throw on the bed again, really thick and spongy. Really nice, decent sized bed. And like I say, this place has been reopened for probably about 2 weeks roughly. And then down this side of the bed, another little drawer unit. But then you've also got this radio, Robert's radio. And this was on when we came in, nice touch, playing some nice music. And also in a lot of the hotels that they have, or pubs with rooms, you get one of these left for you. And this is like a sleep thing, so you spray it on your pillow and helps you sleep better apparently. So yeah, we've also stayed at another one of the St Austell Brewery hotels or pubs with rooms, and that one was in Padstow, and also another one in St Ives. So if you want to check out more of their rooms, then head over to our main channel and have a look through the list there, and you'll see them. One's Padinolva in St Ives, and the other one is another place which escapes me, Padstow. That's where the other one is. So have a look on the channel and you can watch those as well. So just here then is your tea and coffee making facilities. Really nice, decent sized coffee machine there. So at the back you've got the pods for it. And then just here, what have we got here? So here we've got all butter chocolate chip shortbread biscuits. So they really sound good. Then you've got your sugar tea pigs, which is tea bags, and different sort of selections of them just there, and hot chocolate at the back there, along with your kettle and those pretty cool cups. So that's your tea and coffee making facilities. At the top, these are explained as dry robes, I think, so if you wanted to go out into the water, you can take those with you and bring them back. And just beneath you've got the fridge, which has in it a really good mini bar. Now apparently the cans of Curav at the bottom, the blue ones on the left, they're included. The other items are pay as you go. So you've got a selection of fruit juices, Prosecco, and then you've got some of the St Austell Brewery's beers that they do. And then on the side there, you've got some semi-skimmed milk for your teas and coffees. So really good selection of things in this room. And then to the right, you've got your wardrobe. And in that wardrobe, you've got your coat hangers, you've got your iron and ironing board. And then as we come down to the bottom there, you've got two bathrobes and what looks like a hairdryer just there. So really good setup in this room here at the Pier House in Charlestown in Cornwall. I'm going to show you the bathroom in just a moment. Kev will show you that one. And then also what we're going to do afterwards is show you around Charlestown. If you haven't been here before, stay watching, it's absolutely fantastic. They've got a load of tour ships in the water, and we're also going to have dinner later on and breakfast in the morning, so we'll tell you all about that as well. And a fun fact is that some of the scenes from Poldark were actually filmed here in Charlestown, so we'll show you some of those tour ships. So keep watching. We're going to go into the bathroom now and show you around the bathroom.
Right, coming into the bathroom, you've got your towels on this heated towel rail, and you've got your toilet. Nice picture there of a fish. Then you've got your hand towels there and your face towels, and your sink. And the toiletries in here are immerse. I think I've pronounced that right. Had a quick look online, it's about £30 a bottle, so it's not cheap stuff. It's they're providing with some nice toiletries in here, and the design in here is really nice as well. It could have quite easily looked like a public toilet if they picked the wrong colours, but I think they've done a really good job here. It's certainly, if I was left to my own devices and tried to recreate this, it probably would look like a public toilet, but it doesn't. It looks really, really stylish. And you've got this fantastic shower, really nice. Rainfall, I shall let you know in the morning if it was any good, whether there was much pressure. But yeah, really good shower. They've done a really good job with the space as well. Although it's a small bathroom, they've done a really good job. It certainly doesn't feel claustrophobic. Yeah, very, very good. So when we were showing up to the room, she actually showed us all the amenities in here, and she touched upon some robes if we wanted to go swimming. And it wasn't until later I thought they don't have a swimming pool, so she must have meant the sea. And I thought these were actually in packaging, like just for some towels, but it turns out it's not. We've actually got these big coats, which are really well lined inside as well, so that you can go swimming, and then you've got this robe to put on after and to come back up to the hotel, which I thought was a really nice touch. And I'm still not going to go swimming because I absolutely hate the sea and it's cold, and yeah, it's really not my thing. But if it is your thing, then this is ideal. So yeah, really nice touch. There you go.
So that's the room. Let's head out now to Charlestown, and we're going to show you the stunning surroundings right outside this pub with rooms. we hope you've enjoyed your whistle-stop tour around Charlestown Harbour and those fantastic tour ships. Now back into the hotel for some dinner. Well, good morning. It's the next morning here at the Pier House Hotel here in Charlestown in Cornwall. Night's sleep, absolutely fantastic. Really nice room. What did I think to this place that we stayed at this time? Well, it's literally reopened less than 2 weeks ago after a major fire that it had about a year or so ago. So it's completely been refurbished to really high standard. Absolutely love this room. You've got this snug area right behind here where you can just sit down or relax or lie down and see out the window. There's fantastic views over the Charlestown Harbour. So yeah, really fantastic room. Beds all comfy and everything like that. That bathroom though, check out the bathroom. It is absolutely stunning. I know it's brand new, so it will look good. Interesting to see what it looked like, 2-3 years later. But currently, 2 weeks on, looks absolutely fantastic. Shower was so powerful as well. I would highly recommend, if you're looking for somewhere to go in Cornwall, that you check out this place, which is the Pier House Hotel. Right down by the harbour. Those views yesterday as well. Yesterday evening we went for a walk around Charlestown. Some absolutely stunning views, lots of food and drink outlets as well around by the tour ships. So yeah, again, if you're coming down, do go and pay a visit to it. So how much did we pay? Well, I'll put it on screen because I've completely forgotten. But for us, I think it was quite a good value. We booked it probably about a week or two beforehand. So yeah, I'll put this the price on screen for you so you can see that for yourself. This is like a sea-facing room, so there are other options as well. I think there's some a bit more expensive, but there's plenty lower grade rooms that like look into the town, that sort of thing. Breakfast-wise today, Kev had a full English, which looked fantastic. I went for a sausage bap. Again, that was really nice as well. One of the things going around all these hotels doing these videos for you is that if we do a few in a row, quite often we'll be away for 3 nights at different hotels. It sounds quite nice, but actually eating all this food and trying all, starters, mains, desserts, it takes its toll on us both on my stomach, and also you get to a point like this morning for breakfast where you just think, I've had enough. So yeah, that's it done. Off home today. So if you've enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell. Quite often, if you haven't done that, you may not realise that we've actually published a new video, so make sure you hit that notification bell, and check out our other Devon and Cornwall videos on our channel. I'll put a couple on the screen now for you, so do have a look. We've got loads of Cornwall and Devon, so go and have a look, enjoy those videos, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.